Nani wanadai manual? Wacha tuone nani wanadai manual. Nani wanadai auto?
Yeah, my name is Francis Deldo. I'm the CEO of AA Kenya. Today is another day when we are bringing partners together in mobility industry just to talk about road safety. As you all are aware, we've been losing a lot of people on our roads, and mobility becomes very important to start that discussion about road safety. And today we have a lot of partners. One of our partners is NTSA, by Dr. Manocha, who is the chairman of NTSA. And also a lot of other people. I'm sure when you roll out, you see people from the oil industry, from the tire industry, people who are producing various products in mobility industry. So we have a lot of people who are here today, and probably we will give you a list of the people who are partnering with us today. But the most important thing is today we have two events. We have the AutoClinic, where we talk about road safety. But we also have another event on this side, which is the best young driver competition. Again, more about road safety. Is closely related to Safari Rally, organized by the same organization, FIA, but this time talking about road safety. And here we are encouraging the young drivers between 18 and 26 years.
Partnership na AA. We offer discount on tires services for AA members. So AA members who are here, they can always come to any of our Kingswood Tires branches. We offer them discounts in tires and services for everything we offer. We deal with tires, services, batteries, and everything that's related to motor vehicle servicing.
We have plants, we have processes, so we are doing programs. When I talk about programs, talking about the engineers, we have both for commercial and we have for personal. We've actually gone even higher to even bring in the one for racing. We have a 6 stations, and yes, it's a racing one.
Trying to be an automotive solution provider. Kwa hivyo tuko na vitu zingine kama oils, we have lubricants, a brand that we import from Netherlands. Hii brand inaitwa Urol. It's a very good brand, a famous brand ambayo ina sponsor the Toyota Gazoo Rally. Yes, na we do wipers, tunafanya brake pads, tunafanya windscreens. So we are an automotive based solution provider.
I would also like to compliment the Automobile Association of Kenya for being in the forefront and spearheading the road safety initiative in our country. And today's AutoClinic is a testimony of what AA's contribution is towards promoting road safety in this country. At the same time, looking at the driving test and looking at our youth who are participating in this competition today, the youth are our future, and to make them better and safer drivers, there could be no better way than to have this competition that we are having today.